By Dr. Susan, and we're on this particular segment, we're talking quickly but importantly about a product called Soul. Tell us about it, Dr. Susan, because it has a lot of good stuff in there.
It has 4 amazing ingredients. It's seed-based nutrition, which basically means we take the genesis of the seed and put it in the packet. We call this our 2-ounce miracle drink. It's 50% black cumin seed, grape Chardonnay seed, black raspberry seed, and then D-ribose. And when you take those 4 ingredients and put them together, this actually becomes a very powerful supplement for the human body.
And how do they take that? It looks pretty easy
it's
to
easy. We love this. It's the perfect thing. You just shake, rip, sip. You can drink it.
Shake, rip, sip.
That's it.
Okay, you got to catch these things.
Okay. It's wonderful because you can take it on planes. You can throw it in your car. I throw mine in the freezer, and you can eat them like a little ice pop in the summer.
So how many a day do you take of this?
Well, it depends. I normally take at least 1 a day, but on training days, I run half marathons. So on a half marathon day, probably anywhere from 6 to 8.
Half marathon?
Yeah, because I don't believe in all those power gel garbage things because they're horrific. And this actually works very well, and you're never sore the next day. And it's
really?
So wonderful. Yes. I use them for all my endurance athletes that we work with and all the runners that we help train. So it's a phenomenal training tool as well. And it also works against inflammation. It also helps with weight loss for people who are trying to lose weight. I can tell you the science behind that later. But it's just an amazing packet. And we use it in 3 different clinics that I work out of also. And we have patients that have cancer who are on it, from our anorexic patients all the way down to cancer, stroke, and Parkinson's. So we've seen phenomenal testimonies with people who choose to go to seed-based nutrition products.
Well, in a final word, if somebody wants more information, they would like to know more about this product or any product, or get an appointment with Dr. Susan, they can do that by going to the website that's on the screen?
They can go to the website, they can call, and just reach out and get in touch with us, and we can tell them more.